Ever feel like your team's to-do list is scattered across a dozen different sticky notes, endless email threads, and maybe even that one person's brilliant but completely undocumented mental filing system? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a visual, intuitive way to bring order to that chaos? A digital whiteboard that helps teams of all sizes get organized and actually see their progress. That's where Trello comes in. Now, you might have heard the name. Maybe you've even seen those colorful boards with their draggable cards floating around. But have you ever stopped to wonder why so many companies, from tiny startups to massive corporations, swear by this seemingly simple tool? What's the secret sauce that makes Trello so sticky, so indispensable for teams trying to get things done? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the core reasons why companies choose Trello, exploring the benefits that make it a game changer for productivity, collaboration, and overall sanity in the workplace. We'll go beyond the basic features and uncover the strategic advantages that make Trello a cornerstone of so many successful workflows. Think of your typical project. It probably involves a series of tasks, each with its own set of requirements, deadlines, and assigned individuals. Without a clear system, it's easy for things to get lost in the shuffle. Communication breakdowns happen. Deadlines get missed. Frustration mounts. Trello steps in as a visual command center for all of this. At its heart, it's built around the Kanban system, a workflow management method that emphasizes visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and focusing on flow. This translates into Trello's intuitive board, list, and card structure. Imagine a physical whiteboard divided into columns, perhaps, to do, doing, and done. Now, picture your tasks as sticky notes that you can easily move between these columns as they progress. That's essentially what Trello offers in a digital format, but with a whole lot more power under the hood. One of the primary reasons companies flock to Trello is its sheer simplicity and ease of use. Unlike complex project management software with steep learning curves and endless menus, Trello is remarkably intuitive. You can get started in minutes, creating boards, adding lists to represent stages in your workflow, and populating them with cards that represent individual tasks. This low barrier to entry is a massive advantage. It means teams can adopt Trello quickly without extensive training, minimizing disruption and maximizing immediate impact. Everyone can understand the visual layout, making it easy to see what needs to be done, who's working on what, and the current status of each task. This visual clarity fosters transparency and shared understanding across the team. Beyond its simplicity, Trello excels at enhancing team collaboration. Each card can house a wealth of information, acting as a central hub for all things related to a specific task. You can assign team members, set due dates, add detailed descriptions, attach relevant files, documents, images, videos, and even have discussions directly within the card using comments. This eliminates the need for endless back-and-forth emails or searching through multiple platforms for crucial information. Everything related to a task is conveniently located in one place, fostering better communication, reducing misunderstandings, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Furthermore, Trello promotes flexibility and adaptability. It's not a rigid, one-size-fits-all solution. Companies can customize their boards and lists to perfectly match their unique workflows and project requirements. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, tracking software development sprints, organizing customer support tickets, or even planning a company event, Trello can be tailored to fit. You can create different boards for different projects or teams, and within each board, you have the freedom to define the stages that make sense for your specific process. This adaptability makes Trello a versatile tool that can be used across various departments and industries. Another compelling reason for Trello's popularity is its powerful organization and tracking capabilities. The visual nature of the boards makes it easy to see the overall progress of a project at a glance. You can quickly identify bottlenecks, see which tasks are blocked, and understand the workload distribution across the team. Features like labels and tags allow for further categorization and filtering of tasks, making it easy to focus on specific priorities or types of work. Due dates and reminders help ensure deadlines are met, and the activity feed provides a clear audit trail of all changes and updates. This level of organization empowers teams to stay on track and proactively address potential issues. Trello also shines when it comes to integration with other tools. In today's digital landscape, most companies rely on a suite of different applications for various aspects of their operations. Trello seamlessly integrates with a vast array of popular tools, including Google Drive, Slack, Jira, Dropbox, and many more. These integrations allow for a more streamlined workflow, eliminating the need to constantly switch between different platforms. For example, you can attach Google Docs directly to Trello cards, receive notifications in Slack when a card is updated, or automatically create Trello cards from Jira issues. This interconnectedness enhances efficiency and reduces context switching. Let's consider some specific examples of how companies leverage Trello. Marketing teams can use Trello to plan and track marketing campaigns, manage content calendars, coordinate social media efforts, and track the progress of various marketing assets. Lists might represent stages like idea, drafting, review, scheduling, and published. Software development teams can utilize Trello for agile project management, tracking user stories, managing bug fixes, and organizing sprints. Lists could represent backlog, to-do, in progress, testing, and deployed. Customer support teams can use Trello to manage support tickets, track the status of customer inquiries, and collaborate on resolving issues. Lists might represent new tickets, assigned, in progress, waiting on customer, and resolved. HR departments can use Trello for onboarding new employees, managing recruitment processes, tracking employee training, and organizing team events. Small businesses can use Trello for virtually any aspect of their operations, from managing client projects to organizing daily tasks and coordinating team communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.